Welcome back, students. So, in previous session we have already done how to calculate the area of a square and rectangle with the help of graph. So now we will set up a formula, and through the formula now we will try to find the area of a given square or area of a given rectangle. So this is the first we will see the area of a rectangle. Suppose this is the diagram of a rectangle. So what we did when you use the graph, so we divide the whole diagram into small boxes, or you can say square, and each square the side measurement is 1 unit. So if you consider this one, so this is your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will make 5 centimeter, and here 1, 2, 3. This will make 3 centimeter. So now when you calculate the number of square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This we did in previous video. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So the number of small squares gives you that what is the area of this particular rectangle. So what is the answer? Square unit. Now we want to form a formula to find the area of a rectangle. So we know that this what it suggests your length, and what this suggests your breadth. So here what is your length? Length is equal to 5 centimeter and breadth is equal to 3 centimeter. When you use the graph paper and find the area of this rectangle by calculating the number of small square in which each square has the area of 1 square unit. So 1 square unit, so if you count this number of square, they are 15. So its area is 15 square units. Now, if you see the length and breadth, 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter. 5 multiplied by 3, what is your answer? 15 centimeter. Okay, this 5 means what? Length, 3 means what? Breadth. So this is the formula to find the area of a rectangle. Again I am repeating. So what we can say? Area of a rectangle. Now what is the formula? Is equal to length multiplied by breadth, which is equal to 5 multiplied by 3, which gives you 15 square unit. So now you can use the formula to find the area of a rectangle. For small diagram, it is very easy to divide them into small boxes, or you can say small square, and then we count the number of squares that will give you the area of that particular object. But suppose you have a big square, suppose a big rectangular park, if you want to find the area of that rectangular plot, if you want to find the area of that time it is not possible to divide them into small square and then count the number of square. It is not possible. So that time we require a particular formula through which we can find the area. So this is the formula that area of a rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth, which is equal to 5 into 3 will give you 15 square unit. Same way we can set the formula to find the area of a square. So this is the area. I have divided this, sorry, square. I have divided this square into small boxes. Each one has the area 1 square unit. So now we count the number of boxes, or you can say squares. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So it makes 4 centimeter. This 1, 2, 3, 4. It is also 4 centimeter. Now we will count the number of small square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So what we can say? What is the area of this square? 16 square unit. Okay. Now we know that in square all the sides have same dimension, or you can say same measurement. So this is, if you consider one side, this is your second side, third side and fourth side. Each and every side has the same measurement. Now what is 16 represent? This is 4 multiplied by 4. If you consider 4 as the length, or if you consider 4 as the side, so what formula you can suggest? Side into side, which is equal to side whole square, or you can say length whole square. So what is the area of a square? So what we can write? Area of a square is equal to square of its side, or you can say side into side. We know that this is 4 square and this is equal to 16. If you don't remember the square, then don't worry. What we can do? S into S, 4 into 4 will give you 16 square unit. So this way we can find the area of a square with the help of formula. So this is all about how you can set the formula to find the area of a square and rectangle. Thank you.